Hello guys, today we will see nomenclature of alkanes. So first question is give IUPAC names for the following compounds. So structure is already given and you have to write name of that compound. So first structure is given, so we will number this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So longest carbon chain is of 6 membered and methyl group is on second carbon and fourth carbon, therefore its name will be 2,4-dimethyl hexane. So longest carbon skeleton is of 6 carbons, so hexane. Okay, for alkanes we write ANE and substituents are on second and fourth carbon, so 2,4-dimethyl hexane. Next structure is given. So here longest chain is of 7 carbons. Okay, so numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So longest chain is of 7 carbons, so heptane. And ethyl group CH2CH3 is on 5th carbon and 2 methyl groups are on 2 and 4 carbons respectively. So name will be 5-ethyl 2,4-dimethyl heptane. Okay, why numbering is not done in this fashion? Because if you do numbering like that, so ethyl group will come to third position, this methyl group will come on fourth position and this methyl group will come on sixth position. So if we add 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. So here we get number 13, and if we number from this side, left side, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So methyl group is on second position, so 2. This methyl group is on fourth position, so 4. And this ethyl group CH2CH3 is on 5th position, so 5th. If we sum it up, we'll get number 11. So less number is more preferable, so that's why numbering is from left to right and not from right to left. Okay, so name comes 5-ethyl 2,4-dimethyl heptane. Okay, why ethyl is written before methyl? Because alphabetically ethyl group is ahead, E is ahead of M. Then next example. So here also longest chain is of 6 carbon, so hexane. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So hexane, fourth carbon will have ethyl, so 4-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl hexane. Again we can't number from here. Okay, so if we number from right to left, then ethyl comes to third position, so 3, but the 2 methyl groups come at position 5, so total is 13. And if we number from left to right, so both the methyl groups are on second carbon and ethyl group is on fourth carbon, so total is 8, so this one is less, so we will number from left to right here also. So 4-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl hexane. And now we will see from name how we can write the structure. Okay, so write the structural formula for each of the following compounds. So first is 2233 tetramethyl pentane. So for this, first start from here, so ANE, so that is alkane. Pentane, first just draw 5 carbons for pentane. Then tetramethyl, so 2233. So if we number, first draw the pentane, okay, and then first draw 5 carbons and then number them 1 2 3 4 5. Then second position carbon have 2 methyl group and third position also have 2 methyl group. So draw the substituents afterwards, and at last draw the hydrogen atoms respective to carbon's valency. Carbon makes 4 bond. Okay, so first draw 5 carbons, then draw the substituents. On second there are 2 methyl groups, and on third there are 2 methyl groups. Okay, and then at last draw the hydrogen atoms on the carbons respectively. Next example is 2,3 dimethyl butane. So first draw 4 carbon atoms for butane, and then in second and third there are methyl groups, so 2,3 dimethyl butane. So first draw 4 carbons, then draw the substituents, and finally you will be drawing hydrogen atoms. So if we number from here 1 2 3 4, so 4 is of for butane, then 2 and 3 dimethyl, and remaining are hydrogens. Next is 3-ethyl pentane. So just for pentane draw 5 carbons first, then in third carbon draw the ethyl group, that is C2H5, or you can write as CH2CH3. Okay, and at last draw the hydrogen atoms for each carbon. Okay, so draw first 5 carbons for pentane, then ethyl on third carbon, and last draw hydrogen atoms for all carbons. Next example is 2-methyl propane. So propane contains 3 carbons, so first draw 3 carbon atoms, and then for second carbon draw the substituent methyl, and at last draw all the hydrogen atoms. And then last example 4-ethyl 3-methyl octane. So for this draw for octane draw 8 carbon first. Okay, and fourth carbon will have ethyl group and third carbon will have methyl group. So draw 8 carbons, so octane, then draw ethyl group on fourth carbon and methyl group on third carbon. So it will be 4-ethyl 3-methyl octane. That's all. Thank you guys.